Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're going to go ahead and sell or get rid of your TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is grab your remote and then go ahead and click on the home button right over here on your remote. And then next, you're going to go ahead and click on Quick Settings, then click on All Settings. And then from here, you want to go and scroll all the way down. And then where it says System, click on System. Then scroll down to where it says About, click on About. And then right over here where it says Reset, you're going to find the option to go ahead and factory data reset your TV. Now keep in mind that once you do so, that is going to go ahead and clear all your information and data on your TV as if it was brand new from the factory. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.